Are you ready to experience luxury at its best? Then stay tuned because today I'm taking you on a tour of 4600 Shies Hill Road in Nashville, Tennessee. This home is a custom-built home by Air Homes and it is spectacular. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth Sheehan with Weicker Realtors, the End Use Group. I specialize in helping out-of-staters to relocate to the Middle Tennessee area. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button down below to get notified every time I release new video content. Welcome to 4600 Shies Hill Road, Nashville. I'm super excited today to give you the tour of this home. This is absolute luxury at its best. So upon entering, I'm gonna welcome you into this home. Like I was the owner of this home, I will welcome you in, and that makes me so happy and excited. As you can see, this is the main living space of this home. It's a complete modern, open concept. We have in the living room 20-foot high ceilings. Look at the stone wall with this fireplace. I mean, it is absolutely inviting. And I'm going to pretend that you are my guest today. I'm gonna serve like a coffee or like an appetizer here in this gorgeous living room. So we're gonna enjoy the fireplace for a little bit and we're gonna talk about our day. It's just fantastic. An incredible feature of this living room, we have this pockets window, this completely open to reveal the outdoor living. The outdoor is, as you see here from the window, and of course I'm going to take you on a full tour of the outdoor space as well, but you can see the beautiful fireplace and the lounge area on this side. Just peek through here, you can see the beautiful outdoor kitchen with an outdoor dining area. But for now, I am gonna take you in one of the most amazing kitchen I ever seen. So please come with me. Here we are in this absolutely stunning kitchen. The island, as you can see, is massive and it is perfect for entertaining. There is a lot of hidden gem in this kitchen. Of course, you can see the beautiful stove that comes without, I don't think I even need to comment that, the modern, luxurious cabinet and the lighting details here. But as I said, there are things that are hidden in this kitchen, and like this gorgeous fridge. And of course, on the other side, we have the freezer. There is an attention to details in this house that is second to none. And now I'm gonna take you in the pantry of this kitchen, which is absolutely stunning. Very bright, lots of space, and you can store everything for all your cooking and fun times with your family and friends. As we move away from the kitchen and the living area, I want to take you into this fun corner. This is a fun butler pantry in the house where you can have your coffee, you can enjoy your mornings. I mean, envision everything that you want. It's perfect. And this is probably one of my favorite part of the house. It's in the front of the house, which by the way sits on a beautiful hill. And I absolutely am in love with this wall. It's so classy and so gorgeous and gives us such textures, and it is such a brilliant detail to this formal dining. And the lightings, everything in this home makes me drool. There is an attention to details. I mentioned this before, but it is really true. And as a passionate of like custom building and construction and architecture, this brings me so much joy, and I can totally envision the right person here, the right buyer who comes along and wants to create the new chapter of their life in this gorgeous, absolutely stunning home. I'm going to take you back through the kitchen, through the living room, and we're going to see another of my favorite in this home, the wet bar. So follow me along. Again, there is so much space, perfect for entertaining. And this is another dining area. Of course, I show you the formal, but this is a more casual dining area, completely connected to the kitchen, that is completely connected to another dining area on the outdoor living. So how perfect is this? And the wet bar is second to none. I mean, look at these beautiful countertops. I'm absolutely in love with this custom wine rack. I don't know if you can see the details, but I'm gonna have those details in the video for you later so you can see it. It's one of the first things that I ask when I walk into this home. So modern, it's so beautiful. Again, this is paradise for entertaining. You know, I wish I could serve myself a glass of wine, but it's a little bit too early in the day for doing this, but wouldn't that be perfect? Cheers, guys. This home is a little over 7,000 square footage. We have 5 bedrooms, the master on the main floor with another guest bedrooms on this main floor, 5 full bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, and this home has been awarded as Best American Living Award for one-of-a-kind custom home. I'm gonna take you now in the master retreat. Is going to blow your mind completely. One of the most luxurious attention to details that I ever seen. It's a spectacular master, which even more spectacular master bedroom. Are you ready? Please welcome to the master suite of this home. We have 15 feet tall ceilings here. Look at the attention to the details of the lighting. This is a complete custom master. There is a separate switch that goes along the headboard of this bed, and it creates a really incredible atmosphere when the sun sets. Again, huge window. I wanted to mention about this window. They are wood on the inside, and you can paint it in any colors that you want, but they are actually aluminum from the outside for durability, so they last literally a lifetime. The incredible wood beams that we have here, the color of the woods, the color of the walls, everything is so classy and so peaceful. You want a peaceful atmosphere in your master bedroom. You want to be able to unwind and relax at the end of your day. And are you ready for this? Because as I mentioned before, this is an incredible one-of-a-kind master bathroom. It is massive. Of course, we have 2 vanities, his and her. We have the little makeup corner for all the ladies, but what really blows me away is how the designer have designed this to just bring and tighten the look of everything. If you look at the details of the backsplash, and then I'm going to show you the master shower, you see that they are just taking the same details to recreate some of the most amazing master I have seen. Take a look for a second at the ceilings. There is all these details that it's sometimes difficult to show you guys, but you can just imagine how beautiful this is gonna be when the day is about to end and we are closing to be on like the sunset, and just all the lighting in here, all the details are just studied to perfection. Walking into the master closet, I love the chandelier that I put in here. This is a traditional California closet master. We have a beautiful island with, of course, drawers for all your need. Spacious, bright windows, very luminous, really gorgeous. As I mentioned before, on the main floor, we have also a second bedroom. So I am going to show you now that second bedroom on the main living. It's a gorgeous guest retreat. As you can see, a lot of light, huge window, and of course an in-suite bathroom with attention to details in this home. That's what I really like. Everything is studied to perfection. One of the things that I want to mention, these blinds, they are throughout the house. They are very modern. They get a lot of lights that just comes through the house. So And they're very, very clean. So you don't have that heavy fabric that, you know, they collect dust and you need to clean, and it keeps just the look of the home super modern. Off of the second bedroom on the main floor, we are going to enter the laundry room, and we do have a secondary stairs that takes us to the upper living of the house. But I love the laundry room. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous space. Again, quartz countertop, white, very bright. Of course, you have your washer and dryer, and a lot of space, lots of cabinet. This is also the entrance from the garage. It's beautiful luminous window. So I really like this laundry room. It's spacious and it's really well connected to the rest of the living space here on the main floor. From the entrance opposite to the dining room and the main living area that we toured before, we have this gorgeous lounge and office. We know how important it is to have a private space for people to work from home. It is more popular, especially after we leave the last couple of years. I love especially the detail wall here in this office. You have windows that overlook the whole space. It's just absolutely peaceful. I can totally see myself working in here. And today it snows a little bit in Nashville, so it feels also warm and cozy. Everything is stunning in this home. The bathrooms are incredible. And we have down here, as I mentioned before, we have 5 full bathrooms and 2 powder rooms. And off of your office and off of this side of the house, we have the first powder room that I'm gonna show you. I've been dying to show you the outdoor living, and since it's a little bit brisk today here in Nashville, we have a couple of snowflakes that are coming down. I am like, again, with my fur coat, but this is an outstanding outdoor living. We have a dining area that ties in perfectly with the flow of the house. Perfect, again, for entertaining. We have an outdoor kitchen, second to none. Come and see. Huge, spacious. You can grill. Of course, you have a fridge to store all your food and drinks. And I'm just imagining here, like, you know, setting up your bar, having your friends for your birthday and family gathering for your holidays. And this is one of the things that I love personally, to hang around a fire pit. And this is gorgeous. Of course, it's a gas fire pit with black stones. The contrast of the black and white in this home just creates this subtle, luxurious look that it's so very popular right now. And at the end of your day or for the weekends, you're gonna sit down out here and really enjoy this gorgeous backyard. On this side, so we have the outdoor kitchen here, and on this side we have the lounge area, which is covered with gorgeous wood details on the ceiling. It's just whole woods and makes it really warm. Again, I just want to spend time here. It's just very inviting, very, very cozy, modern fireplace. It's just beautiful. And I'm gonna take you now upstairs, where we're going to tour 3 more bedrooms, a bunch of other bathrooms, and so much more. I just want you to take a look. When you reach the top floor landing, it just opens up to both sides of the home. You got the idea of those high 20 feet ceilings here. Isn't that just marvelous? Okay, come on in. We're on the second floor, and this is entertaining paradise. As I mentioned before, this home is perfect for entertaining. So luxurious, cozy, warm, perfectly decorated. All details are spectacular. You have another bar here. Again, I'm imagining having my friends over, you know, and we're gonna play some games, and we're gonna just watch sports, maybe football. Remember, football is huge here in Tennessee. And walking into this side of the entertaining space, we have another gorgeous powder room and a beautiful closet. On this floor, we have 3 bedrooms that are spacious, gorgeous, and luxurious. The 3 bedrooms that we have here. So as you can see, we have windows on both sides, very spacious, and of course, an ensuite bathroom. As I mentioned before, in this home, we have 5 full bathrooms and 2 powder rooms. This is so fun, and your guests are absolutely going to enjoy this space. And there is a second bedroom here when you enter this alley, which is another fun bedroom for your guests or for your kids. Look of the details, you know, it's just a lot of fun. Again, all the details, the designers of this home, they did just a fantastic job. They spared nothing, right? Look at the details of this headboard. Everything is absolutely custom made. I'm taking you now on the other side of this beautiful home, where we have another bedroom and a gorgeous gym. Are you ready for this? Before I forget, because I just walked by, we have a second stackable laundry and dryer here for convenience, so you don't have to go to the main laundry room, especially if your kids are living on the upper part of the house. So I'm entering the 3rd bedroom here. It's another gorgeous bedroom. This is tailored more for your guests, whether before the other 2 rooms that I showed you prior were more like kids friendly. Everything here, from the art, from the dresser, it just creates a beautiful flow. It is really very elegant, but at the same time, it feels like home because there's no place like home. And of course, we have another full bathroom here and suite with this bedroom. I'm taking you now on one of my absolute favorite. I love to keep in shape and work out and, you know, move my body. So we have a gorgeous gym here. And of course, we have a secondary staircase that will bring you from the back of the kitchen up to your upper quarters of the house. So walk with me. This gym is great. Personally, I love to punch a good boxing bag when I get stressed out, so I'm gonna do it. And this brings us to the end of this video of this gorgeous custom home by Air Home, located at 4600 Shy Hills Road in Nashville. If you want more information about this home, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. All my contact are listed below, and I'm always happy to help. Before we say goodbye, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down below to get notified every time I release new video content. Again, I'm Elisabetta Sheehan with Weicker Realtors, the End Use Group. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I see you next time.